All right, I'm gonna go over a few of the things with this new case. First off, I flipped the motherboard and got a 25 centimeter extender, so the graphics card now blows out. I've added the USB 3 ports to the front and the center of the power button. Looks a little nicer. I made it smaller. There's no room for the SSD anymore. It only now will accept a graphics card up to about 220 millimeters or so. I've designed a little bracket to hold down the graphics card so it's a little more stable in there. That's pretty much it. I am changing the design a little bit. There's those perfume blocks, I think that's what they're called, the mod blocks. I'm gonna kind of design around those. I just 3D printed some. I'm just gonna use those, but they should work with the ones you can buy as well, and I think that's about it. Maybe a week or so I'll have the new files updated and I'll post those. Thanks for watching.